Okay, so this is the new hand chute. As you'll notice, it has a ultrasonic transducer port location right here that's pointing down into the hand chute, a PCB mounting area. This is where the UVC LEDs will go. There are 3 rows instead of 2 on this one, and it makes for a total of 34 units, 34 UVC LEDs. This kind of gives you an idea of how the air will flow. Basically, it will come through the exhaust port, and then it will rotate inside of here, and then exit through, through the intake port, which will actually go back through the motor. This is so you can kind of get a 3D glimpse of the design. This is where the circuit board will mount. You can basically see the circuit board for the control of the LEDs and the ultrasonic transducer will mount on each one. Now, I've mirrored these both left and right, so there's a left version and a right version, and this is where the transducer will go. This is the intake port, and of course this will be the exhaust port right here, where the air is exhausted into the main hand chute, rotates in a vortex, and then comes out the intake port into the intake of the motor pump. So check clearance to see how the ports, the exhaust port, will actually fit inside there. I mounted it in there to where it would have some clearance for the tubing to go around it, which is kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see there is clearance there. And then the reverse side of that is on the other side, which you can clearly see the clearance on this one as well, which that kind of angles back, kind of following the contour of this so that it'll be easy to hook up. Then both of these point upwards, and the circuit boards will be mounted in the opposite direction of each other, which actually controls this transducer right here. I can kind of show you the transducer inside. You can see the transducer right here. This will send a ultrasonic signal into the hand cleaning chute. Just give you an idea of how it will be assembled. So far it's pretty simple design, it's not that complex. However, once all the circuit boards are mounted, the wiring is done, touchscreen tablet controller is put into place, it'll get much more complex.